Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You must act now. Log into the Aiou student portal with your student ID and password, and make sure you have your scenic, current email, and the new mobile number available. Once logged in, go directly to My Profile or Student Information. This is where contact fields live. You do this because the system ties your account to official records. Make sure your internet is stable. A dropped connection can interrupt verification. Now open the Contact section and prepare to edit the mobile field. Once you're in the Contact section, click Edit next to the mobile number and enter the new number in the required format. The portal usually accepts local or international formats. Next, request the one-time password to verify ownership. You will receive an OTP on the number you entered, so watch for that SMS. Enter the OTP promptly because codes expire. After verification, click Confirm or Save. The system will update your profile and send a confirmation to your registered email and portal notifications. After saving, log out and then log back in to verify the new number displays under your profile, because cached sessions can hide changes. Make sure to note that some systems take 24 to 48 hours to propagate changes to SMS alerts and official records, so be patient. If the OTP does not arrive or verification fails, try requesting it again and double-check the digits you entered. If problems persist, contact the Aiou help desk with your scenic and student ID.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.